Hello, fashion lover. How are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward. Today we are diving deep into the world of women's footwear for our 2025, exploring the latest trends in stiletto molds and sandals. Footwear is no longer just about party. It's a form of self-expression, a confidence booster, and sometimes a work of art. This year, the spotlight is on innovation, sustainability, and comfort without compromising on style. Whether you are a fan of high fashion stilettos, the effortless charm of molds, or the breezy comfort of sandals, we have got something for everyone. So grab your favorite pair of heels, sit back, and let's step into 2025 with style and elegance. Let's begin with the ultimate icon of sophistication stilettos. These towering heels have been a wardrobe staple of decades, but in 2025 they are taking elegance to the next level. Designers are focusing on blending luxury with fashionality. Imagine stilettos with built-in art, sport, padded insoles, and even lightweight materials that reduce fatigue. This year's standout trends include vivid colors, electric blue, bold red, and metallic silver are taking over, adding drama to every outfit. Artistic heels, think spectral heels inspired by modern art from geometric shapes to nature inspired designs like flowers and veins. Multifunctional functional stilettos. Some brands are experimenting with convertible heels where you can adjust the height depending on the occasions. Stilettos are not just for formal events anymore. This year, fashion influencers are styling them with casual outfits like jeans and leather jackets, making them versatile and fun. Next up, we have molds, a footwear style that been stealing the show for its mix of comfort and elegance. In 2025, molds are breaking boundaries with designs that cater to both minimalists. Here are the top mold trends to watch. Chunky heels. These are perfect for a retro look, offering stability and style for long wear. Pointed to flat, sleek, and professional, they are ideal for office wear or casual outings. Orient embellishments, crystal pearls, and metallic studs are adding glamour to molds, making them suitable for evening events. Molds are also becoming a year round favorite for summer. Open toe molds are perfect, while closed toe and heeled molds work beautifully for fall and winter. Pair them with cropped pants, midi dresses, or even tailored suits for a sophisticated whip. Moving on to a summer essential sandals. From breezy flats to statement making, gladiator sandals are a staple in every woman's wardrobe. 2025 is bringing some exciting updates to sandal designs. Strappy styles in create star patterns are trading, ranging from minimalist then straps to bold lace up gladiators. Platform soles perfect for adding height while keeping comfort intact. Platforms are a favorite this year. Vegan and sustainable materials, eco-friendly leather and recycled materials are dominating collections, aligning with the growing demand for sustainable fashion. For styling, sandals are incredibly versatile. Pair flat sandals that maxi dresses for a boho look, or wear heeled sandals with flowy skirts and blows for a chic polished appearance. For vacations, opt for bright colored sandals to add a pop of color to your outfit. This year is all about innovation in footwear. Designers are integrating technology and sustainability into these creations. Let's explore some exciting advancements. Smart heels with sensors that monitor posture and pressures to ensure maximum comfort. Sustainable production brands are using biodegradable materials, waterless dyeing techniques, and renewable energy of production. 3D printed shoes, customized fits, and unique designs are now possible thanks to 3D printing technology. These innovations are reshaping the way we think about footwear, proving that style and sustainability can go hand in hand. Here are some tips to help you incorporate 2025 footwear trends into your wardrobe. Bold stilettos, let your shoes be the statement piece by pairing them with neutral tones or monochrome outfits. Casual moles, style them with high-waisted jeans and oversized blazers for a relaxed yet chic look. Playful sandals, match colorful sandals with floral prints or light breezy fabrics to create a fun summer outfit. Accessories is also key. Coordinating your shoes with your handbag or jewelry can elevate any outfit. If you are wondering which brands to check out in 2025, here's a quick rundown. Luxury brands: Christian Louboutin for iconic stilettos, Gucci for glamours, Moles and Into from statement sandals, affordable favorites Zara Mango and Aldo offer trendy but budget-friendly options. Sustainable choice VJ and Rothi are leading the charge with eco-conscious footwear. No matter your budgets, there are something for everyone. And remember, investing in quality footwear is always a good idea. It not only lasts longer but also ensure better comfort. Fashion is an ever evolving art form, and footwear plays a crucial role in completing the perfect look. From bold stilettos to chic molds and versatile sandals, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for soul lovers. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the latest footwear trends. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Fashion Forward for more updates, tips, and style inspiration. Remember, it's not just about the shoes you wear, but the confidence you carry in them. See you next time, and as always, stay stylish, inshallah. Hello fashion lover, how are you? I hope all are you fine and happy. Welcome back to Fashion Forward. Today we are diving deep into the world of women's footwear for our 2025.